we've chosen to work on natural resources, oil and mining. We've got some manufacturing. We have no pharma at all, and this is the price you pay.
They should have been able to make some here in Canada, I would think.
This problem started a long, long time ago with defunding or taking away incentives for pharmaceutical companies to be here.
Well, as you can see, many Toronto residents out here on the Danforth are happy to finally be receiving their shot, but many blame the lack of domestic vaccine production for the slow rollout, forcing us to depend on the U.S. and other countries with manufacturing overseas.
Canadians have a newfound appreciation for the value of a resilient local biopharmaceutical industry. Past efforts to foster the life sciences sector have been undermined by detrimental policies of federal governments for more than a decade. If Canada wants to change course and succeed, it must put a stop to one-way consultations and engage in real dialogue with our industry.
Andrew Casey, the head of the nation's Association of Biotech Companies, says while we do create vaccines here in Canada, comparing them to the latest tech would be like comparing 7-Up with champagne. Other than the fact that they're both liquids, they couldn't be more different, and you can't expect one manufacturer to create the other. Casey also has another great analogy on why the government can't just look at this sector as a cost that they need to cut.
If the Canadian government said no Canadian should pay more than $200 for an iPhone, Apple would say, we get you, that's fine, so you're going to get the iPhone 3, which is the one that is globally being sold for $200. When the 12 or 13 or whatever version we're in now is at the global price of $200, that's when Canadians will get it. So they won't get it now, they'll get it in 10 years. And everybody would say, that makes sense. We can't expect us to get a special deal as Canadians. And so when you move into the health space, though, obviously people's lives, it changes the dynamic of the conversation.
Government officials say they're working hard to accelerate the largest vaccination campaign in Canadian as well as global history, with 36.5 million doses expected by the end of June. Enough for a single dose for every person in the country. In Toronto, I'm Darrin Maharaj for Zoomer News.